Our butternut squash and sweet potato soup is perfect for fall. Start by chopping all of your vegetables. In a large mixing bowl, add butternut squash, sweet potatoes, carrots, onion, garlic, olive oil, pepper, and salt. Toss everything together, making sure the vegetables are well seasoned. Place the seasoned vegetables on a baking sheet and roast until tender or golden brown. In a large pot, melt butter over medium-high heat. Once the butter has melted, add in carrots, onion, and celery. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Stir in cinnamon, rosemary, nutmeg, sage, salt, and pepper. Add in your roasted vegetables and pour in the chicken broth. Use an immersion blender to puree the soup until it's smooth. Continue cooking for about 5 more minutes. I love to top mine with cream and pumpkin seeds. You can find more delicious fall recipes on our website.